Good morning, y'all. We are here in Geiranger.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're pulling into our next port. The sail into this, is it called a sail in? I don't know.
The approach
has been super pretty. I was getting ready and I had to stop like curling my hair because I wanted to go outside and I wanted to see all the waterfalls that we were passing. Well, they're called fjords that we were passing by. Super pretty. And then we passed by this tiny little town that's off of Geiranger. I don't even know what town it is. But it literally looks like, the people that make the Christmas villages every year around Christmas time, and they have their own little towns. That's what it looked like. It was beautiful. It was pretty. It looked fake. But people were there. There was an RV park and all sorts of things. So I'm very excited for this port, John.
So am I. The weather is great. There is an overcast. However, it's going to be about 80 degrees today once the sun comes out. So phenomenal weather. We're going to go on an excursion, and you guys have to stay tuned to see what we're doing.
Yeah, I'm excited. Are you ready for this?
Norway, let's go.
Let's do it.
As you can see, it's a very small port. The ship is officially docked, and they are extending the pier, the seawalk, close to the ship. That way we can get off board and get ready to explore the town. So we made it on the bus. The excursion we're doing is the Skywalk and the Eagle Road tour. So I don't know what to expect.
I don't know, but can I just say, their like zero drinks, like the zero sugar drinks, taste so different here. Like they do it different. I like it. I know that's not what John was talking about. I'm excited for the excursion, but I'm excited that I got a Pepsi Max because we've been drinking Coke Zeros nonstop. Fun fact, we like zero sodas. You're welcome.
Well, would you look at that?
Would you look at that? This is our first lookout point. Very beautiful. And our tour guide let us know that this is one of the most photographed spots in Norway. And so I just got to tell you, John, you did good. You did good. You chose a good one today. I really enjoy all of the sites. Coming up here, you'll see the waterfalls. She talked about if you see a waterfall, it's going to be going into a bigger piece of water, normally known as a lake. So you can always count that it's fallen somewhere. But very beautiful, so green. There's snow on top of the mountains, and I just couldn't be any more breathtaking away than now at this moment.
It's beautiful views. The weather's great. It's a little toasty.
Toasty,
a little
roasty.
toasty.
It's spicy. Yeah, it's definitely spicy. All right.
We've arrived at this ginormous lake. It's probably close to 200 meters deep. It's all glacial water. It's all water from the snow, melted snow, and the glacier that's way back over there.
But like John didn't say anything. Like the weather, the temperature has significantly changed. Like we're next to some snow, and John has not let me see snow for like 2 years. So he took me to see snow finally.
The elevation is about 1,700 meters. So we're pretty high up there. Ooh. Man. Oh, that is cold. That is cold. So our tour guide was telling us that this lake melted 2 weeks ago. It is frozen for most of the year, and it just melted 2 weeks ago, and it's very cold. I've brought her to Norway just so that she can play with some snow.
And y'all, I already got John with snow. Don't do it!
Stop.
All right, so we are here at Ørnesvingen. Don't correct me on my pronunciation. I'm sure it's off. But we're here at the coffee shop. We're grabbing a cinnamon roll. I'm pretty sure it's called cinnamon knot. And grabbing a couple drinks. And then we're gonna go and check out the sights, go see the things. But I will tell you, colder up here. I had to throw on my sweater.
When you're in Norway, you have beer with friends. There you go.
How cool is this? Byron Pilsen.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Good?
That's real good. You don't need no icing at all.
Show the whole thing.
The goodness. Hot.
Alright, so we are at the last stop of our tour. We're up here at a very high point where we can see the famous Seven Sister Waterfalls. So what it is basically 7 waterfalls that come all the way down from the mountain, all the way down to the fjord. So it's beautiful, breathtaking views, and it is very, very sunny out here.
Oh yeah, it is a blazing heat fest today. But you know, we'll take the heat, we'll take the good weather, because this is actually very rare. So the lady was saying that majority of the time whenever they do these tours, it's either foggy, it's rainy. So they're explaining how there's all these things that we're supposed to be seeing, and most of her tours are not able to see those items. And so today we actually got a rare moment where we got to see a lot of the items that she talked about. So very cool stuff. She talked about like the culture around this area and how they're very, very into their traditions. And so it's a really interesting tour, would you say?
Yeah, it is. So here in Norway, you can actually camp wherever you want, even on private property. You just do a courtesy and let the owner know that you're going to be camping on your property, and they're not going to tell you no, because here in Norway, everybody owns the nature. So this is a great place if you're into overlanding, for you to come out here and camp. There's people camping everywhere with their RVs.
Camping, hiking, cycling, all of the things outdoors, because Norway people are outdoor people, right? Norwegian.
They are.
But I think this is it, right, John?
This is it. So we'll see you guys on the ship. Good.
Can I go?
All right, well, we are ready.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good night tonight. If you guys don't know, tonight John and I have specialty dining yet again. Good job, John. So we
Part of the package.
It was part of the package. We are gonna be going to Leish, so we're gonna bring you along with us. But this port has been just so pretty. I've enjoyed it. John, did you enjoy it today?
You know, I've been taken away by all the views. Like these views, like I'm looking out the balcony right now, and it's Alaska 2.0, better than Alaska.
It's postcards, photos, anything that you take here is never gonna do this place justice of just how beautiful it is. So I would say great port, great place. Yeah.
But our we have to be at La Brisa in 10 minutes, so we gotta get going.
All right. Yep. Takes us a long time to walk. Let's go. Alright y'all, so we are here at Le Bistro. We just went ahead and placed our order. A really good menu, a selection of multiple things. So if you're a red meat eater, if you're a chicken eater, you like salads, you like soups. What else do they have on the menus? They have some seafood on the menu. They kind of just have a plethora of things for you to be able to choose from. Very, very good options. I went ahead and went with the chicken dish, and then of course a baked onion soup, because you never can go wrong with a baked onion soup. John will talk about what he got later. I'll let him do his thing. I decided to steal the camera from him because, you know, that's what I do. But very, very nice atmosphere, calming in here, beautiful place. I'm excited for some food. I'm also very hungry. John, are you hungry?
Oh, sorry guys, I'm enjoying some cat. It's very tasty. It was a suggestion from our waiter. But yes, I am hungry. I got the lamb chops, a salad, the escargot, and what else did I get? I think that's it. That's all I got.
We'll find out if that's all he got. It's always an interesting time with John at dinner time. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy our time. We'll fill you guys in. John will throw in some shots of the dinner, but we're just gonna enjoy our time with each other and just everything that we've been doing. It's one of those cruises that you kind of just are breathtaking and taken away with all the things going on. So we'll see you guys real soon. It's time to eat.
These lamb chops, amazing. Very, very good. Very tasty.
My food was very good. Enjoyed it, every single piece that I had. The pearl onions, always a nice touch. But now I'm ready for some dessert. So let's do that. I'm a happy lady tonight. Well, John, I would say that is probably one of the better dinners we have had on this cruise ship.
It really, really was. Le Bistro. Le Bistro definitely did not disappoint. And you know what? We've been on this cruise for 5 days, and we've seen a whole. This is different. You don't go to the MDR and have the same people serving you over and over. But I have to say that Raymond did a fantastic job serving us today.
Yeah, so the staff has been amazing at this place. Go and check it out. We're not ones to give bad reviews, and so I'm not going to give a bad review on any of the other places that we've gone on, because everybody has a different experience whenever you go to certain areas on the cruise ship. But this is probably one of the best experiences that we have had on the cruise ship
so far.
Yeah. But tonight we are going to try to go check out the Rumors show. It does get really packed, so if we don't get in, it's because we didn't get there in time. Some people wait in line for 2 hours before the show opens.
Yeah.
And
it's a very small venue.
For me, it's just not one of those things I'm going to wait 2 hours for. But if we can get in, we're going to get in. But I think we're going to see where the night brings us. We'll bring you along with us. It's going to be a great time. And hey, John, do you think it's important for them to make an investment in their life?
It is.
Yeah, a free investment, even better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the free investment that you should make is to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell. It lets you know every single time we have a video coming out. And if you're like, Dymon, I really don't want to know when you have a video out, but I'll subscribe. We'll take that too. We'll take it, right, John?
We sure will.
But just follow us along on our journey. We like to share a little bit about what we experience going on ships. Not necessarily all negative reviews, but kind of just how we are enjoying it. It's a snapshot into how we like to vacation. So if you're intrigued in those things, hit that subscribe button and follow along with us, because it's going to be a great night. All right, let's go, John.
Standing love and light.
All right, y'all. Well, John and I just got done at the Rumor Show. It is such a great concept. I really like the fact that they're going through the whole storyline of the Rumors album. If you do not know anything about Fleetwood Mac, I encourage you go and read about the storyline behind that album, because that album speaks mounds to just how the band was as they were recording things. And so that's what the show is all about, right, John?
It is. So we do recommend it. Make sure you get there early, because it was a full house. We had to stand the whole time, but it was worth it. Worth it.
But as you see, we are sailing away from Geiranger. So it's actually on this side. Bye. But it's also time for us to call it a night. So we are going to be closing out tonight. We're saying goodbye. And tomorrow is another new port, right? Hey, John, where are we going?
Yeah, so tomorrow is Bergen.
Yes, and we are still going to be located in Norway. We got told that it is a bigger town than Geiranger, so we're excited about that, because every place that we have gone has just been its own different place. Nothing has been the same, which is always great on a cruise, because you're experiencing something new every single day. So, as always, who are you?
My name is John.
And my name is Dymon. Go on a cruise.
And have a good time.
We'll see you guys real soon.